Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video we are about to simply learn how we can enable dark theme on our Instagram application. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have downloaded as well as updated the Instagram application to the latest version. If you have not yet updated the app, you can go to your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and then make sure that you have updated it to the latest version. After we have updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open Instagram right over here. And you can currently see that the Instagram app is currently in the light version. So what if I want to switch it to the darker version? So in order to switch this Instagram app to the dark version, on the bottom right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see this profile picture right over here. So we are simply going to tap on this profile picture once you see it. And as you tap on a profile picture on the top right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to find the three menu bar or this three slash or this three line icon. So you want to simply tap on it. As you tap on it at the bottom of the screen, you want to simply tap on the first option which comes up is called settings. So we want to go to settings right over here. As we go to settings, here you will be granted multiple options. So in order to enable dark theme on our Instagram app, we want to simply tap on the theme button just under the about section. As we tap on theme here, at the top of the screen you'll find multiple options. The first is called light, on which we are currently at. The second is called dark, but we will get to that later. And the third is called system default. So what does system default mean? Now system default generally means that if your device is currently in the dark mode and you set it to the system default, then Instagram app is automatically going to switch to the dark mode. And if your device is currently on light mode and you set it to the system default, then Instagram is automatically going to follow to the light mode. Now you can simply tap on system default, and if your device is in dark mode, you need to go to the dark mode. But if you don't have dark mode on your system but you want dark mode on your Instagram app, you can simply select the second option which says dark right over here. And you can see that we have successfully switched to the dark version on our Instagram app. Now if you navigate through Instagram, you can see we are currently on the dark mode or the dark version. So in this way, you can very easily switch to the dark version or enable dark theme on your Instagram app. We hope this video was really helpful to you. And if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.